Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is the right to bear arms. What you're looking at is the last product I need to complete my Byrna inventory. And I'll give you a hint. It looks like an AR-15. Stay tuned. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is the right to bear arms. This is the newest launcher to my inventory. The projectiles are launched by 88 gram CO2s. Right here. Just a little bit bigger than your 12s. It still shoots the same 68 caliber rounds. And at 325 feet per second. So let's get this open and see what I'm talking about. The nice thing about this is your ammunition or the projectiles are reusable. Hoping that was going to open up that lid. Like it's just going to slide out. I can't remember how many rounds a minute. And it comes in an awesome case. Sure does. Put that right over your back and go wherever you're going. All kinds of pockets. This one here. Yep. It comes with two 88 gram CO2s. I don't know if it comes with any projectiles. It's empty. A lot of clips, huh? Some more ammo in there. Another back there, you got another one on the other side. Yeah. We took time to think about those, huh? You got your regular handle for it. It's like double strapped. We're getting into that thing, huh? Then you gotta do that. Pull that off of there. And another long. Man, Okay, here we go. Here's the main event. We'll go that way. Huh. There we go. There we are. There's your back. It gives you all the instructions how to unload it. Those are cool. Push your button. That probably releases it. All right. Yes. I'll lay down like so. We're gonna do this like so. And introducing the Mission 4. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Everything is pretty much set up for use as a I'll get more into it, but I know those pop up. Get into that a little bit better. Armed Forces, I really didn't get into the into the 15, but I know a couple of my buddies are into these. That looks pretty nasty. So there we are. I'll do a put together down the road, and we'll do definitely doing some demos with this puppy. All right, so there we are. Let's see. We've got a see what that is, but here we are. There's your ooh, locked in. Ain't that cool? Oh boy. Now, this extends. Put your CO2. Put your CO2 in the end here, and you put your back on top of that, and that's your setup. This here is a selector to disengage your CO2. You pull that back to charge it. I'm still trying to figure out. Oh, those pop up. Oh yeah, and you can adjust. You got an adjustment rail for them, and you've got a lower side rail. You can add accessories to. That's really versatile, and that'll be an awesome in-home protection. Freaking 19 rounds. You have to know that well. So pop them out and flip them over. Magazines must be mounted before loading projectiles. Failure to do so may result in a jam. See the user manual for more information. Alrighty. Because I know you got to turn this and do all kinds of little things here. And then right there. There's your release button. Alright, there we are. Thanks for watching. If you like, thumbs up, subscribe. If you like one of these, don't hesitate to get in touch with me and I'll get you one. And you catch me on the next. Right to Bear Arms. And this was the unboxing of the Byrna Mission 4.